Christmas break is coming and I'm planning to make so many different recipes using these leafy green vegetables. And it's very healthy to include in our daily diet. Hey guys, welcome to Way to Connect. This is Bhumi Yagnik and I want to show you today how I freeze my green leafy vegetables. Today I have fresh dill, organic spinach and fenugreek leaves. Let's start with fresh dill. Dill contains many vitamins and minerals that support bone growth and regeneration, including iron, calcium, and vitamin D. It is also full of antioxidants that help our body to improve immune functions. Take out the stem and cut only soft green leaves. After cutting one bunch, I realized that my hands are staining, so I decided to wear gloves. Let's do our spinach. We all know spinach is a superfood. It is rich in iron, vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, and magnesium. Just like the other one, we're going to take out the stem and cut only leaves. Now last I have fenugreek leaves. I have already shared Methi, which is fenugreek, paratha recipe on this channel, and I'll be sharing more. So with this Methi, we're gonna cut the same way, take out the stem and just use the leaves. Fenugreek has benefit for lowering blood sugar level. It may also reduce cholesterol level and help with appetite control. Finally, I'm done cutting all these vegetables. Let's wash it properly before we freeze them. Let's place cloth on the countertop and with the white paper towel. So once we're done washing all these vegetables, we're gonna put all the vegetables on this paper towel. All these leafy green vegetables has so much dirt, so make sure to wash it properly. We will be keeping these vegetables like this for maybe 10-15 minutes. You don't want to dry them, but you don't want excess water in your freezer bags. So let's take out all the excess water from it and then freeze it. Make sure to use thick zipper bags, which are for the freezer. You don't want to use thin plastic bags to freeze your vegetables. You probably want to write name of what vegetables you have in the zipper bag, and also write a date so you know when you pack these vegetables. Let's do the same thing for fresh dill and our spinach. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Take care.